Productions here, and today I'm very excited to bring you a full unboxing and review of the Nerf and Strike Deploy CS6. So I'm very excited for this because you know that it's an unfolding gun stuff, which I'll talk about later. And this is, just an unboxing because it's a very complicated one, so I'm just going to do an unboxing. So let's take a look at the box first. So as you can see, it says Nerf right there. Covers cover blaster for stealth missions, demonstration of the flashlight mode and stuff, and Strike Deploy CS6. Hasbro logo right there. Quick reload clip, picture of the guy with deploy, and caution stuff. And take a look at the back of the box. You can see that it says deploy and Strike with a little thing there, flashlight and gun mode, any other stuff, radar, recon, and Strike blasters for every mission, and Strike arsenal. And then just a picture of the gun with everything you get. So yeah. So right now I'm just gonna open this baby up. So I'm gonna cut one piece of tape right there. Pull this tab. Then awesome. Wow, this is so cool. Wait, this got stuck. No. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the instructions fell out inside the box, and now the box is now empty. Toss that aside. And here's the instructions. Tells you about all the little characteristics and features. Don't need that. And then we're left with this, the Deploy in all its glory. So first we're gonna cut all this stuff out. So there are pieces of tape on the back that we should cut. So hopefully that'll just cut the gun out. And there is a twist tie on the back of the stock. I'll just cut that. So, okay. So got that twist tie off. Awesome. Wow. Awesome. This is so cool. Wow. Oh my goodness. Awesome. So cool. So I'm going to put that aside. So that was very cool. So of course now we're left with this. So I'm going to take the carry strap out, which is right here in the corner. Cool. Set that aside. Here in the corner we have one 6-dart mag. You can just pull out. And that's a nice new 6-dart clip. So put that aside. And if you're wondering where the darts are, they're in this little care package, as you can see, which I will rip open. Okay, maybe I need scissors, because there's a piece of tape over that we need to cut in order to get deeper into these darts. So I'm going to open this little lid and take out the darts. So take out those darts. Take these dudes out. Okay, so now this is empty. And yeah, that was basically it for my unboxing. take a look at the review once it's on YouTube. I'll do that tomorrow. As always, this is Nerf Production signing off.